aqui mitras de multitud de Blue Wave e fanático nan kuta kanando dirección de estadio. Así na aqui turgende a topa junto de Marconi Plaza para cine Canaba Estadio y apoyar el Blue Wave. Es aquí también ambiente de fan walk.
What do you feel about all this experience here?
It's an amazing feeling. I mean, the Blue Wave is coming. What a time to be alive. Every day we're going to make history. And a lot of love to the world for supporting us. We came in as the smallest country, and today we're big. Today we are grande. Woo!
So good!
Mami la Barça! Wow! Hey, hey, hey! Viva la banda!
Forward.